Die grinders are an essential tool for a technician to have, especially a right-angle model. It's ideal for high-speed grinding and polishing in areas that are hard to access. It's used for smoothing and shaping metal, weld finishing, and other high-speed polishing and surface preparation options. It's built with 3/4 horsepower for extra power. Bi-material cushion grip for added comfort. Smooth throttle actions for better control. A built-in safety lever throttle prevents accidental starts. And a tool-free regulator knob for quick speed adjustment. Used with 1/4-inch grinding accessories. Available from your local Cornwell dealer.